Welcome back to the Pineal Room. I'm your urban eco master. Now, my people, I don't want you to get hung up, too worried, too stressed about homosexuality, alright? Calm down, chillax yourself. The problem was created by you. When you break the family, you open it for another type of relationship. So, calm down, man and woman, calm down. Let me tell you exactly what's going on now. I don't want anybody talking about you're born with being a homosexual. No. You don't have no homosexual gene. Everything is epigenetics. So you are homosexual by epigenetics, not by genetics. You see? Epigenetics is a result of your gene speaking to the environment and the environment speaking to your gene. And out of that conversation, what came out is called epigenes. You get me? It means then you have the ability to use the environment and the DNA to have a conversation again and undo that protein. Epigenetics. Learn about the omics technique. And when I said omics technique, I'm talking about transcriptomics, metabolomics, proteinomics, right up to epigenetics. Alright? You will realize that nobody really born a homosexual. See? You are born with a strong positiveness if you're a man, and a woman is born with a strong negativeness if she is a woman. This means that you must attract the opposite sex. This is the natural thing. Everything in the earth is electromagnetic. Everything that is natural has this electromagnetism to it. The universe, the earth, the body, the plants, everything has a positive piece to it and a negative piece to it. That's how a battery works. Alright? These are the ways you can become homosexual. First, you can have an imbalance in your energies. You what I said, energy. You can have an imbalance in your energy in the root chakra. Your root chakra is found at the base of your spine, or between the scrotal sac and your anus, or ladies, your vagina and your anus, right? That perineum area. Your root chakra is there. It's a soft spot. Alright? Soft like the mole when you're just born. It's a portal. You know what is a portal? Yeah. An opening. Like YouTube is a portal. Google is a portal. For example. The sun is a portal. Stars are a portal. Alright. So I'm saying now, if you have an imbalance in the root chakra, because in the root chakra you have two energies emanating. Some call it a positive energy and a negative energy. In other sciences, they give them name. Ida and Pinda. Alright? Pingala. Now, this is simply the positive energy and the negative energy rising. And they must rise in a spiral form. And as they cross each other at a vertex, they create what is called a portal. Alright? So what is happening now? If the energy is moving from the base and you realize that there's an imbalance in the energy, either the positive side moving too fast or the negative side moving too slow, and they are entering the portal and coming out of the portal in a different manner. They are not harmonized. The energies are not harmonized. This is one way in which you can express homosexual tendency. And I remember homosexual is just a lack of identity. It's an identity issue. It's a mental illness. Even the US classified it as a mental illness. It should still be classified as a mental illness. But they have created these people to carry certain microorganisms, transfer certain microorganisms. They have made these people hosts to carry things like the HIV virus. Alright? Homosexuality, even though people will say, oh, this is forever. Here in the United States, everything is make. These people walking around are programs. If you said you want a man, more likely it's a program telling you that. If you say you like a woman, more than likely it's a program. You're not coming from your gut feeling. You're not coming from your gut. You're not coming from your heart. And you're not using your brain logically. I know this for sure. You wouldn't go around doing all the crazy things that you're doing. One way, imbalances in the energy at the root chakra. 2, imbalances in hormones, emotions. So another E, emotions. So if you have imbalances in the hormone, of course, if you're a man and you have too much estrogen, you will display the female tendency. Not only that, you will start looking like a female, you will lose your muscles. You see? You will not get that hardy look anymore. And not only that, you don't only lose that hardy look, that testosterone look. You start to also feel like you are attracted to your own sex. You get what I'm saying? So these hormones are like what they're spraying in the sky. You think it is cloud seeding. Some of it is cloud seeding. But some of it is these estrogen mimicking compounds. Your atrazine, your glyphosate, all these compounds. You see? Your gramazone. All these compounds changes the hormones. It can change a female into male. 2. So the first is an energy imbalance at the root chakra. Second is imbalances in the hormone, estrogen dominating. Third reason, you are molested and psychologically programmed to perpetrate this act or to fear the perpetrator. And so you seek refuge in these people. It's called a Stockholm syndrome. And then you start to practice this thing just to feel a part of a group. Right? That's the third way. Molestation, rape, all of these type of things classified as the psychological reason why people choose to become homosexual. Alright? When all is said and done, just understand that it's an issue with the biology. You see? It's an issue that comes about mainly because of your social environment. If you are not grounded, you will display imbalances in the energy. If you are not eating properly or your environment is not clean, you are going to have hormonal imbalances. If your environment and your culture is not one that protects children, advocate for the children, very likely at that vulnerable age, adults can impede on these children innocence. And what? Program the brain, program the mind into something else. Right? So bear in mind, we're not here to kill anybody, humiliate anybody, denounce anybody, because they are victim of experiments. Like we are victim of experiments. All of us have been vaccinated, eating these poison, all of these type of things. It's just that some of us are not too far away from becoming gay. And if you're not going to become gay, your child might become gay because you're not paying attention. You're not looking out of your eyes. And guess what? Before I wrap up this video, if you feel like you want to contest what I'm saying, bring your scientist. Make sure him highlight him credentials. I want to see all of him degrees them, because I can show mine too. So make sure, say, if you're going to have a conversation, bring a scientist. Because majority of you, 99% of you cannot take up on the phone and call a scientist. Can't call a PhD, can't call a doctor. You get what I say? Them don't do that something. Them don't talk to the lay public. I am different. I do what them can do. I do everything what them do. On my time. So let us move forward in a different way, man. It's a matrix of toxins. Help your brothers. Help your sister. Get out of the toxic situation that we are in. It's simple as that.